I'm Randy and I make candy, and tonight I'm making peanut butter cup fudge. Stick around. Greetings, my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. After Fudge-a-Palooza, I was going to hold off on making fudge for a while. Then my daughter said that a workmate of hers, who is apparently a fan, has a birthday coming up and was hoping she could get some fudge. Well, how am I going to say no to that? So I got to thinking that as much as I love fudge, I love peanut butter cups even more. And here we are. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own peanut butter cup fudge, as well as suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see in future videos. For this recipe, I'm using 1/2 cup of these super cute teeny tiny peanut butter cups, plus another 1/4 cup as a topping. If you don't have access to these, you can use roughly chopped regular sized peanut butter cups instead. 1½ cups of milk chocolate chips, 2/3 of a cup of sweetened condensed milk, and 1/2 cup of Reese's Pieces plus another 1/4 cup for topping. I'm also using a 6x6 pan, some parchment, a microwave-safe bowl, and some spatulas. Okay, let's make some candy. Line the baking pan, then spread a layer of peanut butter cups on the bottom of the pan and set it aside. Place the milk chocolate chips and sweetened condensed milk in the bowl and microwave them on high for 30 seconds. Give them a stir and, if necessary, repeat in 10-second intervals until the chocolate is completely melted. Carefully spread half of the fudge over the peanut butter cups. Sprinkle 1/2 cup of the Reese's Pieces over the fudge. Then spread the remaining fudge over the Reese's Pieces. Sprinkle the rest of the peanut butter cup pieces and Reese's Pieces over the fudge. And lightly press them into the fudge. Refrigerate until firm. Then remove the fudge from the pan and cut it into whatever size pieces you'd like. And that's it. Okay, let's have a taste. Sláinte. Texture-wise, the fudge is as smooth and creamy as you'd hope, and the Reese's Pieces really add a nice crispy crunch, so that definitely works. The flavor, predominantly chocolate as you'd expect, with the peanut butter filling of the cups and the pieces bringing in a very pleasant but subtle layer of salty nuttiness. This gets a 10 out of 10, and you really ought to try it. If you enjoyed your time here in the Candy Kitchen, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for sticking around, and I hope you join me next time. I love peanut butter cups even This gets a 10 out of 10.